While laptops are amazing portable machines to work on, they often lack the screen space that you would get on a monitor. However, it does not make sense to move around with a monitor while you're on the go, right? So, how does one enjoy the amazing portability of a laptop while having enough screen real estate to work on screen-demanding tasks? Portable monitors in this case offer an excellent solution. They're compact, easy to carry, and also extend the display of your laptop. The OFIYAA P2 Pro is a flexible portable monitor that carries not one, but 2 screens. We got the fortune to get our hands on one of these and we'll be unboxing, testing, and reviewing it to see whether it gets the job done. So, without further chatter, let's open up the box. Before we unbox, we gotta appreciate how minimal yet premium the package looks. Inside, we have the monitor itself surrounded by black styrofoam. Underneath it, we have a separate compartment that houses 2 USB-C to USB-C L-shaped cables, 1 USB-C to dual USB-A splitter cable, a carrying pouch, and the user manual. We are really impressed with the overall design of this portable monitor. The frame is quite thin and light despite being made of aluminum alloy. At the very top, we have the power button, volume rockers, and a lock switch. And at the bottom, we get to see 2 USB-C ports along with a TF card slot. By pressing the lock switch, you can adjust the slider to accommodate laptops of up to 16.5 inches in size. The soft rubber on the frame is there to protect your laptop and keep it in place. Let's set it up with our MacBook and see it in action. Both the 13.3-inch IPS displays have a native resolution of 1920 by 1080p. They have a reasonable amount of brightness as on-screen content appeared really sharp. The anti-glare coating also helped too while working in a well-lit environment. The screens can be rotated at 207 degrees angles, all thanks to the flexible hinges. Another awesome thing about this portable monitor is the telescopic stand that provides good structural support to the entire setup. The setup works wonders in terms of portable screen space. We have found the extra screens quite useful while editing videos, researching, and jotting down content. One of the USB-C ports supports 60 watts of power delivery, and we have used it to fast charge a smartphone. The TF card slot also helped to import photos and videos pretty conveniently. Surprisingly, this portable monitor is multi-compatible, so you can also pair it up with a Windows laptop if you prefer. The lightweight design and flexible frame made it easy to put inside the included bag and take it with you wherever you go. All things considered, the OFIYAA P2 Pro is truly an amazing accessory for a laptop. If you move around quite often and need a solution for screen-demanding tasks, then we highly recommend this for you. So, that was all about the OFIYAA P2 Pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.